Hey everyone, welcome back to Tony's Top Tech, where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech to enhance your everyday life. Today, we're turning our focus to something that's not only tech-savvy, but also eco-friendly: solar power. With sustainability becoming more critical than ever, solar energy is making huge strides in portable and practical applications. Whether you're an avid camper, a tech enthusiast, or just someone looking to reduce your carbon footprint, we've got something for you. So get ready as we count down the top 10 solar gadgets that are perfect for all your outdoor and off-grid needs. Let's get started. Number 10. Gold Zero Nomad 20 Solar Panel. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Gold Zero Nomad 20 Solar Panel. This lightweight and foldable solar panel is a game changer for backpackers, hikers, and campers. It delivers up to 20 watts of power, which is enough to charge small devices like phones, headlamps, and GPS units. Imagine hiking through the wilderness and being able to keep your devices charged with just the power of the sun. One of the standout features of the Nomad 20 is its built-in kickstand. This allows you to position the panel at the optimal angle to capture the most sunlight, ensuring maximum efficiency. The rugged design is another plus, as it's built to withstand the elements, so you won't have to worry about it getting damaged during your adventures. Weird fact: did you know that the sun produces enough energy in just 1 hour to power the entire world for a year? That's an incredible amount of energy, and harnessing even a fraction of it with portable panels like these can make a huge difference in your outdoor experiences. Number 9. RAV Power Solar Power Bank. Sliding into number 9 is the RAV Power Solar Power Bank. This portable charger is not just a power bank, it's a powerhouse in its own right. Equipped with a high-capacity battery and a built-in solar panel, it allows you to recharge your devices anytime, anywhere. Whether you're on a camping trip, hiking, or in an emergency situation, this power bank has got you covered. It features multiple USB ports, so you can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. That's perfect for group adventures, or when you have multiple gadgets that need a power boost. The RAV Power Solar Power Bank is also water-resistant, which adds an extra layer of durability. Plus, it comes with a built-in flashlight, which can be a lifesaver in the dark. The concept of solar energy isn't new at all. The first solar cell was created in 1883 by Charles Fritz, who used selenium and gold to form a junction. It's amazing to think how far we've come from those early days of solar technology. Number 8. Big Blue 28-Watt Solar Charger. At number 8, we have the Big Blue 28-Watt Solar Charger. This foldable and portable charger is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need to keep their devices powered up while on the go. With 3 USB ports, you can charge multiple devices at once, making it ideal for group outings or long trips. The Big Blue Solar Charger is designed with a special PET polymer surface that protects it from water and dust, making it incredibly durable. It converts up to 23.5% of solar power into usable energy, which is highly efficient. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just spending a day at the beach, this solar charger ensures that you never run out of power. Weird fact: did you know that sunlight takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the sun to the earth? That's incredibly fast, and with solar chargers, we're able to harness that energy almost instantly to power our devices. Number 7. Solar-Powered Backpack. Coming in at number 7 is the Solar-Powered Backpack. This innovative backpack features built-in solar panels that can charge your devices while you're on the move. It's perfect for students, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need to stay connected without being tethered to a power outlet. The backpack is designed with multiple compartments, so you can easily organize your gear. It also comes with a hydration pack, which is a great addition for long hikes or travel. The USB charging ports are conveniently located, allowing you to charge your devices effortlessly while you're on the go. Cool fact: solar backpacks can generate up to 12 watts of power, which is enough to charge a smartphone in just a few hours. It's like having a personal power plant right on your back. Number 6. Renogy 100-Watt 12-Volt Solar Starter Kit. At number 6, we have the Renogy 100-Watt 12-Volt Solar Starter Kit. This kit is ideal for RVs, boats, and off-grid applications. It includes a 100-watt solar panel, charge controller, and all the necessary mounting hardware. If you're looking to set up a reliable solar power system for your RV or off-grid cabin, this kit has everything you need. The Renogy Solar Starter Kit is designed for easy installation and provides consistent power for your adventures. Whether you're living off the grid or just need a backup power source, this kit ensures that you have a dependable source of energy wherever you are. Weird fact: the largest solar power plant in the world is the Batla Solar Park in India. It spans over 14,000 acres and produces more than 2,245 megawatts of power. That's enough to power millions of homes. Number 5. Solar-powered water pump. Coming in at number 5 is the solar-powered water pump. This eco-friendly pump is perfect for gardens, fountains, and ponds. It operates entirely on solar energy, which means you can enhance your outdoor space without increasing your electricity bill. The pump is easy to install and comes with multiple nozzles to create different water flow patterns. It's an excellent way to add a touch of tranquility to your garden or outdoor area while making use of solar energy. Plus, it reduces your reliance on non-renewable energy sources. Cool fact: solar water pumps are a fantastic example of how solar energy can be used for practical applications beyond just generating electricity. They're widely used in remote areas to provide water for irrigation and livestock, showing the versatility of solar technology. Number 4. BioLite Solar Home 620. And finally, at number 4, we have the BioLite Solar Home 620. This complete solar lighting system is a fantastic solution for off-grid living, camping, or emergency preparedness. It includes a solar panel, control box, 3 hanging lights, and a motion sensor. The BioLite Solar Home 620 provides up to 20 hours of light on a single charge, making it perfect for extended stays away from civilization. The control box also features a USB port for charging your devices, adding another layer of functionality to this system. Setting up the BioLite Solar Home 620 is simple, and it provides a reliable source of power and light wherever you need it. Weird fact: the sun is so enormous that about 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. It's no wonder that even a tiny fraction of its energy can power so many incredible devices. Bonus: EF EcoFlow Solar Generator Delta Max. As a special bonus, let's talk about the EF EcoFlow Solar Generator Delta Max. This powerful solar generator features an impressive 2,016 watt capacity and can power everything from your refrigerator to your power tools. It's equipped with multiple AC outlets, USB ports, and even car charging ports. The Delta Max can be fully recharged with solar panels, making it an excellent choice for home backup power, camping, or off-grid living. Its massive capacity and versatility make it a game changer in the world of solar generators, providing you with a reliable power source for all your needs. And there you have it, folks. Those are our top picks for the best solar gadgets that combine technology with sustainability. From portable solar chargers to powerful solar generators, these gadgets are designed to keep you powered up while helping you reduce your environmental impact. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tony's Top Tech for more amazing content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Which solar gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay charged and stay green.